The Renault Hippie Caviar Motel is a concept campervan presented by Renault, based on the Kangoo 3. This eco-friendly EV camper aims to offer a preview of what future campervans might look like. The concept is based on the Kangoo L2 E-Tech Electric and is powered by a 45 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery pack, which drives a 118 horsepower electric motor. This configuration gives the van a range of 285 kilometers, and it can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in around 11.6 seconds. The vehicle's design was inspired by the world of extreme sports, and it has been equipped to reach the most remote spots with a 120 horsepower motor and a range of 177 miles. The van also offers a quick charging feature where you only need 30 minutes to regain 106 miles of range with the 80 kilowatt charger. The campervan's design focuses on respecting the balance and tranquility of its environment, emitting no CO2 and driving silently. It also comes equipped with a heat pump, making the heating system energy efficient and having very little impact on the vehicle's driving range. The interior of the van is packed with features designed for comfort and convenience during road trips. The passenger seat can transform into a comfortable bed, providing a place to rest after a day of adventure. Above the bed, a glass roof promises a night's sleep under the stars. The van also has several storage spaces for sports equipment and a fold-away tray that provides a comfortable work area. A Bluetooth speaker tucked away in a special niche sets the ambience to give a home-away-from-home feel too. The exterior features a two-tone paint job and a mountain graphic. The van also has Hippie Caviar Motel badging and a fading red window treatment on the rear doors, showcasing its adventurous aesthetic. The interior of the van includes eco-friendly touches, including shelves and a floor made of recycled tires and cork. The van also has a rear bench that transforms into a bed, allowing occupants to lay down and watch the stars at night through the panoramic glass roof 3. To provide further convenience, the Kangoo Van L2, from which the Hippie Caviar Motel concept is derived, has the widest sliding side door in its category. The steering wheel is heated and the cabin temperature and battery charge can be programmed remotely, which is particularly useful in extreme temperatures. The exterior of this concept campervan is a visual treat with a two-tone paint job. The rear section is adorned with a white concrete effect finish, and the front cabin is painted in an eye-catching spangled sea green color, whimsically referred to as Almond Flakes. Inside the van, the design draws inspiration from the opulence of five-star hotel rooms. Abundant use of natural materials like exotic wood along with natural linen and wool fibres give the interior an air of luxury and comfort. The bench seat inside the van can transform into a comfortable bed measuring, allowing occupants a restful night's sleep. One of the standout features of this campervan is its rooftop terrace. This outdoor area is thoughtfully furnished with a coffee table and 2 removable backrests, providing a relaxing space to unwind and take in the scenery. The Hippie Caviar Motel is well equipped for a comfortable journey. Amenities such as a kitchenette, a bathroom, and a sound system ensure that all the necessities are close at hand. In terms of safety, the van is equipped with a reversing camera and parking sensors, providing an extra layer of security while maneuvering the vehicle. The Renault Hippie Caviar Motel is currently not available for purchase. However, Renault has hinted at the possibility of producing a limited number of units, adding an element of exclusivity to this unique and stylish campervan. This vehicle truly promises a luxurious and comfortable way to travel, making it a fascinating representation of the future of campervans. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.